All right, guys, welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. I just want to review what I've been buying over the last couple of days. I want to review QQQ. It's the Invesco QQQ Trust, which is basically NASDAQ technology companies. In the last month, just from like mid-July, they went from 505 all the way down to 420, which is a 16% pullback. And then most recently, within the last 5 days, we had this beautiful pullback from 450 all the way to 420. So when you're playing the long game, you should really be welcoming these and buying these dips. So I bought this dip around here in my account of FSPGX. We're going to review the taxable portfolio so you can see the ads. And we're starting to build some higher lows, which is nice. So you can see here there was a low, and then you can see right in here there was a higher low. So potentially the Nasdaq could make a move here in anticipation for NVIDIA earnings back up to about 480. So we definitely have a potential move here. But when you're buying long, you should be welcoming it. You should be looking at the chart over the long term and seeing, okay, well, if it pulls back, where do I want to buy? And you want to buy during these dips. This is what I'm looking at when I'm buying this. And if I'm bag holding, it's okay because over the long term, this is no-brainer. It just goes up over time. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm trading this trend, and I bought that low. And, did I buy $1 million worth? No. A couple thousand? Yes. So it adds up over time, and you want to buy these nice pullbacks, and that's what I've been trying to do. So let's get into the taxable portfolio. We made additional buy around 420, so let's break it down. We've definitely had some volatility in the taxable account. I mean, look at this. It's just going from like 26,000 up to 27, back down, back up, back down, back up. And you know what we do? We continue to buy the dip. And looking at the performance, we'll review the portfolio, but you can see my top and bottom movers. You can see Tesla. It's really sold off. I mean, I have a share price of 154 and it's now down to 198 from 250. FSPGX, my biggest one. You can see the movement in the stocks that I'm owning right now. So let's go down. Let's look at it. I'm a very aggressive portfolio. Domestic stock 97%, foreign stock 2.3%. It represents a most aggressive strategy because it has a lot of tech in it with the Nike, Baba, Tesla, and FSPGX, which is like 60%, just 10 companies within it. So let's look at it. So you can see here, this is the portfolio. You can see the percentage of the account with the symbols so far. We're looking to add some more, but I bought more FSPGX. You're going to see two of these because now that this taxable account is over $25,000, every position gets moved to margin. So these 106 shares of FSPGX, this 3,112 position, will eventually absorb into this $18,499. So this is about almost $22,000, and we're continuing to buy $250 every Monday. But we also added 1,100 to them on that dip where it went down to like 420. So that was very nice. But as you can see, just buying the dip over time is leading to gains. My biggest loser right now is Starbucks at $71 and negative 7%. But my biggest winner is Tesla so far. Granted, I only have $500 invested, but you wait for the dips and then you buy and then you just hold. And then you just got to buy quality companies and companies that you believe in. And then I like to round out the portfolio with the FSPGX because it's a growth fund. It holds Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, NVIDIA, all those big boys. It holds them in there, about 60% allocation of those 10 companies. And as you can see, they make up about 88, 89% of the portfolio, whereas I have the rest remaining stocks, always trying to keep them less than 5% of the total portfolio. So I'm not taking too much exposure in just one single stock. So that's the portfolio right there. So guys, that's the channel, Trading Simplified. We're at 2.68 thousand subscribers. Definitely appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel and supporting it. It's awesome. Always remember, it's entertainment only, not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my path and what I'm doing. And if you think it's worth it, subscribe, hit the like button, watch the videos. Google pays me. Everybody wins. You learn something and I get a few dollars from Google. But definitely check out some of my videos, even just like how to set up automatic investments on Fidelity, FSELX, which I believe is a good long-term semiconductor index play, Fidelity Active Trader Pro, what I use to day trade, and then just different shortcuts. And then I go over my P&L of trading, where I do like Sunday night watch lists, like my S&P 500, just different funds that I think are worth looking at, and then my active trades where you can see my P&L 2024, where I think I'm up like 44, 45 grand so far. So definitely just things for you to look at if you're interested. A lot of different things under the playlist, etc. So definitely feel free to check them out. We got the Fidelity Index Funds ETFs, Vanguard Investments, the P&L 2024. And, leave a comment in the section below. Are you buying the dip? Are you waiting? Are you buying SQQ? Let me know in the comments.